capturing stranded with a dead car battery or being caught off guard by a flat tire is not only stressful, it's potentially dangerous. Successfully, there are a number of gadgets on the market today that can help you be better prepared for whatever the road throws at you. Road trips mean a lot of time behind the wheel. Fortunately, there are plenty of options to upgrade your ride and enhance your experience on the road by making it safer, smoother, and much more enjoyable. Whether it's keeping your interiors clean and tidy, charging your devices on the go, connecting your smartphone to your vehicle, or saving your life, these creative car gadgets and accessories will have you covered on your motorized travels. If you own a new high-end car, chances are you won't be needing most of these gizmos. But if you don't, a touch of modern functionality can be essential for your safety and comfort along the way. Here are 5 car gadgets that will not only improve your overall driving experience, but will also help you be ready for the unexpected.
Here Top of Zone, we are a bunch of researchers and testers. We test, analyze, research new products and create a list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, feature and user feedback. We also provide upcoming and innovative products ideas so that viewers may know about new products. Our goal is to create proper shopping guidelines so that our viewers can make proper decisions.
The first sanitizing gel dispenser individually for cars and vans, Halmo Car Handle, has been designed to be compatible with all cars and vans on the market. Simply insert the dispenser inside the cup holder and you are done. It's equipped with a special patented vent valve that grants the vapors of the alcohol-based sanitizing gel to escape in the minimum doses if the temperature inside the car reaches high levels. As follows, you don't have to worry about leaving the car in the sun during the hottest periods and finding the exploded or deformed gel container. The material of the dispenser is made up of high-quality hard plastic to ensure that it doesn't get damaged under rough conditions. The car handle can also be customized with any graphical design according to individual needs. It is also removable and washable. Once you have finished the gel inside, you can change it by simply removing the pump and inserting a new car handle refill. So this is a sturdy and well-made product and makes the task of sanitizing your hands regularly as you enter or leave your car. An extensive companion when you are on the road, the HUDWAY cast head-up display offers vital traffic information, transparent lens and full color projection for easy navigating. HUDWAY cast sits on your vehicle's dashboard and wirelessly mirrors your smartphone's screen, so you can view directions without losing your focus on the road. By support for AirPlay or Miracast, you can wirelessly connect your compatible device to the HUDWAY cast head-up display to control your music, view messages, access maps, traffic alerts, route view, and more. For comfortable viewing when driving, the HUDWAY head-up display appears with a transparent lens and output enlarged 53 degrees virtual images. Perfectly visible day in or day out. The HUDWAY cast head-up display projects images that are up to 20 times brighter than a smartphone display. In addition, it automatically optimizes contrast and brightness levels to adapt to different settings. Hope this helps. It is nice to have HUD if you want it. This Worx portable car vacuum cleaner comes with a HEPA filter installed, and one is a reserve that is washable. A brush to remove dirt and dust from the filters, a flexible suction hose adapted for the accessorized changeable tips, and a nice holder to keep the unit inside with a carry-on handle. This way you can easily and safely store it inside your car. This vacuum cleaner has a very long 16 feet DC power cord to power the strong suction 106.00 watts motor, which draws 8.8 amperes from the 12-volt cigarette plug of your car with the car running. Ergonomic design with a generous capacity transparent trash recipient that can be easily cleaned with an auto shut-off lid. It has an inbuilt induction fan, easy to maneuver filters, and a rubber one-way valve that allows dirt to be suctioned easily but not to come out. 3 different nozzles help you face any situation and access even the most inaccessible place in your car that need to be cleaned. If you want to stay on top of a vehicle's appearance, this does a good job of doing so. The Escort Passport 9 is the entry-level Escort with GPS technology, used by high-end rated detectors to reduce false alarms. You can count on peace of mind as you drive with the Escort 9 leading the way. The Escort 9's multicolor OLED display provides you a quick, easy-to-follow view of pertinent information about incoming threats. You can prefer the backlight color to complement your vehicle's interior lighting, and the recognizable icons and graphics really stand out on the detector's screen. Whether you are worried about X-band, K-band, super wide K-band, or pop radar guns, Escort has you covered. That goes for laser enforcement as well, including off-axis signals that would be obtained by laser detectors. Escort's digital signal processor turns those signal detections into actual alerts lightning fast. Your 9 comes fully complemented with a travel case, 12-volt smart cord, and Escort's new EZ Mag mount. The mount securely fastens to your windshield and provides quick one-touch attachment for your detector, with minimal bouncing as you drive, so you can easily choose it. The YI Mirror Dash camera is mostly simple to install, easy to navigate, and the perfect addition to your car, especially if it's older for safety. The YI Mirror Dashcam provides 2 cameras that are front and rear facing. The front camera is slightly better than the rear, but both provide good quality visuals. The front-facing camera captures 138 degrees, 1080 pixel resolution and 30 fps, and the rear-facing camera captures 120 degrees with a 720 pixel resolution. When the system detects reverse motion, it switches the mirror display to show what the rear camera sees on the screen on the front-facing camera. This camera has a 4.3-inch touchscreen for users that want to interact with the interface easier. It also has a built-in 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection to download footage onto a cell phone through an app, as well as you prefer to have to worry about the rear camera as it has an IP67 rating, which makes it rainproof and dustproof. Also, the YI Mirror Dash camera is dual recording, so you can record both sides if you want at the same time. Overall, very good unit for the price and quality.
Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you have found this video helpful. Subscribe our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.